guys, got some Black Sabbath for you today. Iron Man. It's a good one. Okay, I'm going to play it for you. So it's going to play the main riff today. We're going to start with power chords. Okay. We're going to start on the 7th fret there, and we're going to go 7, 10, 10, 12, 12, and then you're going to go up to 15, 14. Play that twice like this, look. 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, and then back to 10, 10, 10, 12, 12, okay? 7, 10, 10, 12, 12, 15, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 10, 10, 12, 12. Always practice slow and the speed will come. Okay, if you're playing that on an acoustic guitar, it might be a bit difficult to get up to these higher notes. So you can always start a couple of frets down on the 5, still sounds great. So that would be 5, 8, 8, 10, 10, and then 13, 12, 13, 12, 13, 12, and then 8, 8, 10, 10. Good old Tony Iommi.